guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guess what, guys, today we are going to give it a trial to just bake without an oven. And it's actually the first time that I'm trying this, so I don't know how the results gonna be, but we're here together, so we'll just see how it will be. These are my ingredients. I have 2 eggs, then I have baking powder, I have a glass of milk, then I have Blue Band, margarine, I have a glass of sugar, then I have flour, all-purpose flour, unga ngano, then I have salt, of which salt I'll just use like a pinch of salt or so. So guys, I hope the results are going to be amazing. Yeah, so stick around. Let's get to business. The first thing to do is to actually make sure you whisk your egg. And I'm actually starting to whisk my egg, and I'm gonna mix it until I don't see that yellow thing. Just see that yellow thing. You whisk until that yellow thing disappears completely. That's the first step, and put it aside. Then the next thing is find that small sufuria that you're gonna use to mix your ingredients. Then I add Blue Band. So you can see I've added Blue Band, and the next thing I'm just gonna add my sugar. Yeah, some people actually sieve their sugar. I didn't sieve my sugar, and that's what you can see. I just used my sugar the way it is. So I'm just gonna make sure I mix that sugar with that Blue Band until it forms a thick paste, and also do away with this sugar particles. Sugar. Until I make sure I do away with the sugar particles, because I don't want my cake to look guys, now look at it. You see, you can't see the salt particles right now. Yeah, so it's at this point that we're going to do what, guys? We are going to add our glass of flour. Yes. Then you add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. This is a lot. Without forgetting, you're also adding baking powder. And the process continues. So it's at this point that we are going to add our egg. Then we add our glass of milk, but you can't add all of it at once, so you add kidogo kidogo. It looks so nice. This paste looks so nice. It is like, you make sure it forms, make sure see maji sana, and also it's not that thick. It should just be like it's called what? Pancake mixture. Exactly, pancake mixture. As you can see, it looks sio maji sana, and it's not that thick, so it's okay. We're good to go. And you just put it aside. Then get that small sufuria that you've just gonna use it as your, you've got this sufuria, you'll use it to put in all the mixture. So the first thing you do is to actually just spread Blue Band on this sufuria, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna spread this Blue Band across this sufuria, to make sure it covers almost the space that that solution gonna just reach. Like I'm just trying to make sure it covers as good space as it is, because I'm not gonna want to stress washing this sufuria of mine. So that is what I do, and I just put away the excess blue band after I'm done. Then the next thing is to actually take some flour and just smear around to make sure it does the same process as just it has done with blue band. So, and then you just make sure you remove the excess flour from the sufuria. And yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do, just remove the excess one after it has absorbed enough. So that's how my sufuria looks like. Put it down, then take my solution, my well-made solution, and just pour it down into this sufuria, because that is what I'm just gonna do next. So I'm pouring this solution inside this sufuria, and I'm careful to make sure that I just add all of it. Then the next thing is just to put it aside. Then I get a big sufuria that I'm just gonna use it as an oven. Then in this sufuria I add salt, just enough salt. Make sure you just add enough salt, because this salt gonna just add, it will act a very big purpose, and it will serve a very big purpose, as it will prevent direct heat from reaching the sufuria with my mixture. So in this sufuria you can find a stand. I had this small thing that I use that as a stand, that one, and I put it inside. If you can actually use small stones, anything that you can use as a stand, you can use it. Then the next thing is my gas cooker. I switch it on and make sure it's on medium heat. I said medium heat. Then I close it, because I actually just want it to cook for between 8 to 10 minutes. Then we'll get back and find if it has heated enough. It's on medium heat. Let it cook for medium heat while closed, then come back after 8 to 10 minutes and check it. Guys, here it's really hot. It's hot. The heat inside there, it's very hot. At this point you now take your solution, the solution, that the mixture, and put it inside. And at this point I'm actually just trying to set it up such that I set it up, you know, inafaa ikue iweze kuanguka na isimwagike. Then the next thing is to actually check my heat. At this point we'll change our heat from medium to, actually we'll set it on low. We are going to cook it on low heat. I said low heat, not minimum, not maximum, not medium, not maximum. We are cooking it on low heat. Then you just close your lid, and we'll come back after 35 to 40 minutes, check if our cake is ready. It's after 35 minutes, and the next thing we just gonna try, we come back, confirm it was cooking on low heat, but then we need to check if our cake is ready or not. If it's not ready, we'll just let it cook. After 35 to 45 minutes, we come and open it, and guys, guess what? That's the product. We're just gonna try with a toothpick, and if it comes out dry like that, that means your cake is ready. Our cake is ready, guys. Our cake is completely ready. So at this point we just gonna remove it, and guess what? You switch off your gas cooker. Then guys, this is our final product. We made it. And do you know what, guys? The blender we made, hey, we actually forgot to use the most important ingredient to give it a taste. I don't know if it's because that's the reason it's looking like this. We forgot this product. Guess what? And I went to the supermarket to buy this product because I really wanted to use it for this trial. But anyway, I almost thought of not uploading this video, but then I thought, why not? Why not? Mistakes do happen. People do skip some things. So I just ended up uploading it. And guys, it's yummy, it's tasty, and it was nice. It was very spongy. I love the taste, so you can also try this at home, guys. I hope you've loved this video, and please, if you're new in this channel, remember to subscribe, and always live your life, and remember to always be happy. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys, stay safe.